Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss big numbers, children. Big numbers. Yes. How is writing 1,000, children? How is writing 1,000? 1,000. You know how is writing 1,000? 1, 3 zeros, isn't it? 1,000, that is a 4-digit number. 1,000, that is a smallest 4-digit number, isn't it? That is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000, that is 1,000. 3 zeros in 1,000. 3 zeros in 1,000 and 5,000. 5 3 zeros. 10,000. 10 3 zeros. 2,000. 2 3 zeros. And 10,000 means 4 zeros in that, isn't it? So 1,000 and 10,000. 10,000. That is 10,000. Okay. The next one is 10,000. How many thousands in this number? This one is the 10,000. Then how many thousands here? 10 thousands. 10 thousands. And next one is 1 lakh. Look at children. 1 lakh. How many zeros in 1 lakh, children? How many zeros in 1 lakh? 5 zeros in 1 lakh. And that is a 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number, isn't it? This 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and 5 zeros in that. And how many thousands here, children? How many thousands in 1 lakh? Thousands means 3 zeros in that, isn't it? Then thousands, how many thousands in that? 100 thousands in 1 lakh. How many thousands in 1 lakh? 100 thousands in 1 lakh. 100 thousands. That 1 lakh means 100 thousands. Okay? Yes, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How many? Then how many 10,000s here? 10,000. Here look here. When 1 lakh means 100 10,000s in here. And how many 10,000s here? 10 10,000s. 10 10,000s. Okay. Then next one. Look at children. What other things have you heard in lakhs? What are the things you heard in lakhs, children? You heard about the population of cities, isn't it? Population of cities you can you hear in lakhs, and cost of the vehicles, that is also you heard in lakhs, isn't it? And write the number 1,000. Now write 100,000. So how many zeros are there in number 1 lakh? How many zeros are in 1 lakh, children? This is 10,000. How many zeros? 5 zeros in 1 lakh, isn't it? 5 zeros. Then you can write it here. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? That is 5 zeros in 1 lakh. And next, there are about 2 lakh. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Listen. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. And what is the number of boats with a motor? Yes, look here. There are 2 lakh boats in our country. There are 2 lakhs boat in our country. Then half of the boats are without motor, and half of the boats are with motor. Okay. Then total 2 lakh boats in our country. In that, half of the 2 lakh means half of them are without motor. Then remaining half, that is with motor, isn't it? The question is, what is the number of boats with a motor? Write it. What is the number of boats with a motor? That is half of them without motor means then next half is with motor, isn't it? So 2 lakh, 1 half of the 2 lakh means 1 lakh. Then 1 lakh boats are with motor and 1 lakh boats are without motor. So you can write it here 1 lakh. Write it here 1 lakh. Here you can write it here 1 lakh. 100,000. Okay. Then next one. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. Look at children. Number of people whose lives are related to fish. How? In all there are about 100 lakh fish workers. 100 lakh fish workers who catch fish, clean and sell them, make and repair nets and boats, and we also have a name for this number 100 lakh. That is called crore. 100 lakh. So many people are doing the work related with the fish, and they have to catch fish. Some people are catching fish, and some people are cleaning, and some are selling the fish, and some people are doing the work related to the net and boat, repair work of the net and boat. Likewise, and so many people are engaged in this work, and their lives also they are living according to or depending upon the fish work. Okay, so here we also have a name of this big number 100 lakh. 100 lakh means that is 100 lakhs of people. There are so many people are working in this field, in this relate the field of the fish. Okay, then 100 lakh, look at children, 100 lakh. Yes, this one is the lakh portion. Lakh portion means here 10,000 lakhs. Then 100 lakh, that is called crore. That is called crore. Look here. This one is the 100 lakh. Lakh, how is writing lakh? This one is lakh, isn't it? 5 zeros in 1 lakh. 5 zeros in 1 lakh. 3, 2, 5. 100 lakhs. This one is the portion of the lakh. 5 zeros. Lakh. Look here. 1 lakh. 3, 2. 1 tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. So, 100 lakhs are in 1,000. 100 lakhs are in 100 lakhs are in crore. This number we can call it as crore. So, you can write it 100 lakhs is 1 crore. 100 lakhs is 100 lakhs is 1 crore. That is 1 crore. Seven zeros in crore. 7 zeros in crores. 7 zeros in crores. That is 100 lakhs is 1 crore. Okay, 100 lakhs in 1 crore. Then next, look here children, one word problem. All of you look here, page number 11. In that, the fish market, many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. The people working in the field of the fish and fish market and catching fish, they are going to catch the fish, and for that purpose they are using different types of boats. So that we already learned, isn't it? Different types of boat, long tail boat, machine boat, motor boat. These boats are useful to catch more fish. So here, look here, Minnie is telling that is a fisherwoman, and Minnie, come here, take sardine at rupees 40 a kilogram. Then she is selling the fish in the market, and she is calling the people and telling, take sardines at rupees, that is a name of a fish, sardine, that is 40 rupees per kilogram. 40 rupees, but the cost of the sardine is 40 rupees per kilogram. Cost of sardine. Cost of sardine 40 rupees. 40. And cost of the next Grace is telling cost of swordfish for rupees 60 per kilogram. Cost of swordfish. Cost of swordfish, that is rupees 60. And other lady who is that Floroma. Floroma is telling the prawn rupees 150 a kilogram. Prawn. Cost of prawn. Cost of prawn, that is rupees 150. 150 per a kilogram, okay. For a kilogram, that is, look at children, the cost of sardine is 40 rupees and cost of swordfish is 60 rupees and cost of prawn 150 rupees. And the question is, first question, at what price Floroma has sold 10 kilogram prawns today? Look here, Floroma has sold 10 kilogram prawns today. How much money did she get for that? How much money did she get for that? She sold 10 kilogram prawns. Floroma. Yes, look here. Floroma sold. How much kilogram prawn she sold? 10 kilogram prawn. 10 kilogram prawn. Then question, 10 kilogram prawn already sold today. And how much money did she get for that? How much money did she get for 10 kilogram prawn? How much, how much 10 kilogram, isn't it? Then how is doing that today? How is doing? Put a column. And how is doing? First you can write the statement, cost of prawn. What is the cost of prawn, children? 150 rupees, isn't it? And what is the quantity of prawn? Or how much kilogram prawn sold? Kilogram of prawn sold, or otherwise you can write like that. Kilogram of prawn sold 10 kilogram. 10 kilogram. And what is the question? How much money did she get it for that? Isn't it? How much money did she get it? Then money for 10 kilogram prawn is equal to 150 into 10. Then how much rupees for that? 150 into, if you don't know, then you can do it here. 1,500. 150 and into 10 means 1,500 rupees. 1,500 got it for that. And next question, you can do it as homework, children. Okay. If instead of 10 kilogram or 6 kilogram, then you can again multiply with that cost of that. Okay. Yes. You write the homework, children. Yes, write it. First you write it, homework. One division, children. 1,284. 1,284 divided by 6 and 895 divided by 3. One more. Okay. Yes, okay, children. That's it. Then one more question. How much money did she 10 kilo, instead of 10 kilogram you can write it the 12 kilogram. 12 kilogram. The prawn sold 12 kilogram if 12 kilogram 12 kilogram prawn is selling, how much rupees he will get it? How much rupees she will get it? She will get it. If 12 kilogram prawn is selling, the 10 kilogram, Floroma already sold 10 kilogram prawn, then how much she got it, isn't it? Likewise, if 12 kilogram prawn is selling, how much rupees she will get it? Okay. Yes, okay. Bye, children.